Welcome to the Tech Force Airgun Guru Show. And today we're going to start a series on scopes. And we're going to feature 2 scopes in each one of these videos. And we're going to start with the Tech Force 4x20 scope. This is your entry-level scope, and it fits all the dovetail grooves on the different rifles. And I'm featuring one here on the Tech Force 59 Contender. And it comes with the dust covers for your lenses. Take them off. It comes with your mounts. Take this lustrous screwdriver and point at them. And this is the screwdriver you need for the Tech Force 4x20 scope. A standard Phillips screwdriver. Now in this particular scope, when you put it in, you want to loosen these 2 screws up and get your crosshairs perfectly up and down, left and right, and then you snug these up. And then I'm going to turn the gun around so you can see the other side. Hope I didn't confuse my cameraman. But here's where you tighten it up to your rails. And as we talked before on mounts, and I'm going to get behind here again, you always got to make sure you have clearance between your receiver and your scope. Alright, once you mount this gun, or this scope, on the gun, you always make sure your rear mount is butted up against the scope stop. And that keeps it from moving. On the 4x20, your adjustment for your eye relief, as you see this here is corrugated, you just screw it out to where you got perfect circle and your crosshairs. Alright, now in your adjustments for your windage and your elevation. This is your windage, left and right, and this is your elevation. Now I'm going to ask my cameraman, because I'm going to move down to the one in front where I have the caps off of it, and turn it around where you can see it. Roll it over here hopefully. And to elevate, you screw it counterclockwise, and it's marked up on it with the arrow. And on the windage, it's got an R for right and an arrow to the direction. To the right is counterclockwise. So again, the scope is your entry-level scope. It's great for a guy like me. I wear bifocals for 10-meter shooting. It's wonderful. It's got the adjustment that we can get your eye relief perfect. And this is the one that we start all air gunners on. And now we're going to move to the second scope in this series. And here's your second of the 4x20 Tech Force Airgun Scope series. It is a 4x20. It's the same as the one we just talked about here, that's mounted on the rifle. But I get my cameraman to come in here. You have a zoom on it, where you can actually zoom from 3 power, let me set my screwdriver down, to 7 power. I'm going to roll up there, where's your 7? And you can see the 3. So you rotate it to wherever magnification is that you need, and you're set. So this is the upgraded version of the standard 4x20. And my illustrious cameraman told me to put a tape measure on it for you. And I think looks like 11.5 inches, 11.75 inches. And again, that scope also comes with your mounts, so you're ready to go. You buy this scope, either one of these, they're ready to mount on your gun. You can have a lot of fun. And remember, all Tech Force airgun scopes are made for air guns to handle the reverse recoil. And an airgun scope you can also use on any other gun, shotgun, handgun out there. So the Tech Force airgun scopes are truly durable. And we have carried these particular scopes for almost 25 years. So from the Tech Force Airgun Guru, have a nice day.